So in this video, I want to teach you guys a sourcing secret. How to source for the best suppliers on 1688. Now this is a secret that you haven't seen anywhere. This is something I teach my inner kakos. I want to teach you all on here. So ensure you watch this video to the very end, and please, if at any point in this video you feel you're getting value, you feel Oni is doing something good, like this video for me, leave your comments in the comment section. So without wasting any of your time, we are just gonna dive straight into it. I'm going to be sharing my phone screen with you all on here. Do you understand me, guys? If you're buying items or you're shopping on the 1688 app at this point in time, I don't want any of you to fall victim of scam sellers. There are loads and loads of scam sellers on 1688 app that they are just here to scam you off your money. They are not selling anything, they are not manufacturers, they are not real people, they are just here to scam you off your money. So please be watchful. Now let's say you're searching for a particular product. I'm going to use this product on my screen as an example to explain everything to you all here in detail. So let me share my phone screen first. Now you can see on my screen I have a footwear, right? This is what we're going to use as a case study, as an example. Now when you scroll down, you can decide to use your search bar, you can decide to use the camera icon to search, but let's take it further. When you come on here, you can see that this product on here, we don't have any review. There is no review for us to read and know if this product is a good one or if this supplier is a legit supplier. First thing I need to check is the certification of this seller. Is this seller a certified seller? There is no review, so I should check if the seller is a certified seller. And how can you tell if a supplier on here is certified? You will always see this logo, this bullhead logo, right? I've explained this in previous video, but let me point that out as well for those of you that are new into this. So you will always see this logo. Can you see this logo right here at the left hand side? You would always see it. I've cycled it for you now. So if the seller is a certified seller, a strong merchant, you would see that logo, that bullhead logo on there. Do you get me? So prioritize buying from suppliers that have this logo compared to others that don't have it at all. Do you understand? Now once you're sure that okay, this person is a certified seller, the next thing you need to look out for is their repurchase rate. Hello my people, let me pause here and say thank you to these 1688 people. They heard my cry. They actually did what? They heard my cry, because before now this was written as return rate. You can see it, repurchase rate. Now this was written as return rate, and people have been arguing with me on this space. When it was return rate, I explained to you all on here that their return rate on 1688 means repurchase rate. It is not the number of people that bought and returned. It is the number of people that bought, they are satisfied with what they got, and they returned to buy again. That's what return rate. But to God be the glory, they've changed that English. Chinese, they are not English people. Try to understand them, okay? But we thank God they have actually heard my cry, because it was something that was being dragged for. People were like, Oni is saying is return rate. No, it is case closed. It is now repurchase rate, so you understand it better. Repurchase rate means people that purchased from this store and they are satisfied with the product they got, they are satisfied with the quality, now they returned again to purchase. That is the repurchase rate. Hope you understand this explanation. They even went ahead to show you the number of people that have returned to buy, not just the percentage. Now you will see that they have return purchase rates or repurchase rate 63%. 63% of people that have bought before returned again to buy. You can see that the percentage rate is high. the percentage rate is high. You will go to some store, right? You will see something like 20% return rate, or rather 20% repurchase rate. That is to say 20% of people that have bought before returned again to buy. Do you understand me? Now here you can even see that this they wrote clearly 500 plus people returned to buy. 500 plus. I want you to also note that this store has been on here for just 1 year, settled in 1 year. Their number of years is 1. So if a store that is just 1 year old, or a company that is just 1 year old, has gotten over 67, or rather 63% return rate, what should this tell you? That yes, they have quality product, yes, they sell good product, and yes, people are getting value from what they buy from them. That is why they are returning. Sometimes you will go to a store, you will notice that their number of years is over 10 years. They've been here for over 10 years, and you're seeing their return rate as 20 something percent. Please, that is a red flag. Listen to me, that is a red flag. A store that has been in existence for over 10 years, or a company that has been in existence for over 10 years, and when you look at their repurchase rate, only 20, some even 18%, it is too low. It is too low. People are not returning. People are not returning. This is just a store that is 1 year old, and they have over 63%. Compare both. Do you understand me? Now, apart from their repurchase rate, you can also see their on-time delivery rate. Their service score, 4 points out of 5 points. They have 4, which is not bad. Their on-time delivery rate out of 100, they have 98. Their store positive review, they have 93.3%. This particular product doesn't have any review yet, maybe because it's a new product, or maybe because people are not buying this one. So we're going to check other product they have in store. Do you understand me? To see if we are going to see review on other products. Remember that. Now I'm going to come down here. I'm going to click on their company profile. This is what you need to do. These are the steps you need to follow to verify suppliers. Now you can see more clearly under their company profile. You can see their returning rate, 63, their establishment time, right? The business scope, what they sell. Here they sell shoes, right? You can see what their factory looks like. You can see all of those. Now you scroll down to shop evaluation. That is where you're going to see review on other products that people have bought and dropped reviews on. You click on all evaluation. So you can see here they have 90 plus. All the evaluations here are 90 plus, which is high on different products across the product they have in store. I can see from this first one, you can see the person left a picture review. The person said very good. Let's click and see what the person bought. You can see the picture of what the person bought. The person bought this platform slide. Can you see it? This is another one. Can you see another one? Can you see yet another? Right, so you can see different picture reviews from customers that have bought from this store. You can go ahead and read their reviews. You can see each of the product they bought, right? It is always attached. The link of each of the product they bought is always attached. You can see it clearly, so you can see their reviews very clearly. This person said, oh, the heel shoe is good. This is size 41. Next time I will go for size 42. Telling you that sometimes their size runs small. You should go a size higher than your normal size, right? So I love these reviews. I'm saying this store is a good one. I can already tell that this store sells good products. Now another thing you can do, which is kind of new, this is the new one they introduced. When you come here, you can see on the list. Now let's go back to that product we want to buy. Let me show you something. Let's go back. Now on here you can see that This particular stock, which is the Lefu shoes, they are graded as top 5. Now there is a list. 1688 is grading this factories or this company based on customer satisfaction, based on their evaluations. Do you understand? They are rating them, and now you can see all the ratings. This one is top 5. When you click on that top 5, you can see who is top 1. I love this particular rating currently that is happening on 1688. It will guide you to always shop from the best of the best. Am I making sense? Now once you click on that rating, let me click on it again, sorry. You're supposed to be paying me for this, but I chose to teach you for free on here, okay? So leave a like on this video. Here I teach you a lot about importation from China, how to ensure you're buying from the best of the best, you're buying top-notch quality. Remember, we have a list of suppliers, my network. We have a list of suppliers of different products, our tested, trusted suppliers that you can buy from. I mean, different products ranging from fashion, gadgets, kitchen items, a whole lot. That list is selling for 25,000 naira. So if you're interested, do well to send me a WhatsApp message, or you click the link you see down in the caption to go get that 70 plus. Do you know what it means to compile 70 plus trusted, tried suppliers, companies that you can buy from on 1688, and you just sleep because you know they are going to deliver top-notch quality? It's going for 25,000 naira. Now when we click on that listing, right, this is new. I think this started showing maybe not up to 3 months, not up to 2 months sef. I started noticing this. I started asking questions, asking the sellers question. It is not loading. My network is so slow. Now let me just explain it verbally. If this loads, you can see that this is top 5, right? If this should load up, you will see the store that is top 1. You will see the store that is top 2. You will see the store that is top 3 before you get to this top 5. Now this will guide you when you're buying and you're seeing top 5. That is to say, amongst thousands of other stores, this is actually top 5 list based on customers evaluation. That is the number of returning customers they've gotten, the number of reviews, positive reviews, now the number of certified customers that have evaluated and left reviews, the number of, you know, everything good, they have rated them, and this is top 5. So you will know when you're buying from good sellers, you will know when you're not buying from good sellers. Is this making sense? So prioritize buying items from sellers that are certified, right? Very important. That's when you'll be able to see this listing. Do you understand me? And I mean, you will get good deals from them. You will get good deals from them, sure. Hope you found this video helpful. I wanted to show you practically, but my network is taking a lot. But this is something you can do and understand by yourself. Let me see one more time if this is going to open. Yeah, it is opening right now, thank God. So you can see here, this is based on professional buying, professional buyer reputation. 1688 must pick a good shop for you. So they are trying their best to make sure you're buying from the best of the best. That's why I told you guys that, see, argue with whatever you want to argue with, 1688 remains the best for me. So on here you can see based on cross-border list, custom list, hot list, blah blah blah. You can see top 1 store, top 2 store, and all of these stores are stores that are what, certified. A store that is not certified will not be added here. So when you keep scrolling, you will see up to top 20, top 50, top all of them. You will see that there are lots of sellers selling similar products. So you cannot tell me that, oh, I did not see. Nah, this is top 22 list. Scroll down, you can even see up to top 500. And all of them are certified seller, certified companies. Do you understand what I'm saying? So you can always use this listing now to ensure you're buying from the best of the best sellers. That's what this video is all about. If you want to learn importation one-on-one, you need somebody that will guide you, I'm always here. We have a course, right, that will teach you how to navigate and use 1688 app very well. The cost is 15,000 naira. If you want a more personalized training, coaching and mentoring, access to our 70 plus suppliers or manufacturers list, that particular package is 50k. You can send me a WhatsApp message, the WhatsApp number on the screen. I am available to, you know, hold you by the hand and ensure you get how to do this from the comfort of your home. Thank you guys so much for watching. I will see you in my next one. Bye.